I should start doing these live. Like, that's a good idea. But welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. And if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. Don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and click the bell to get all notifications so you won't miss any future uploads. Okay, so I just got my Curlbox not too long ago. So let me go ahead and, you know, I like to open it. Oh man, I just broke my edge brush. I like to open it the same day. The lighting is not the best in here. Let's see. Okay, well, this will have to work. So let's see what we have in the box this month. Okay, so upon our opening, we have this. Okay, and let's just say, oh, look like I know what it is. This is cool. Okay, I've seen something. This is the pamphlet. Smart. And we have Aunt Jackie's. I've never tried. It says the greatest hits. Okay. All right, Curlbox, that's what's up. Now, see, any and all of you who've already tried Aunt Jackie's, you're going to say, been there, done that. But for me, I haven't. So this is cool. So we have this, which I don't know what it is. It is a, let's see what this is. This is a Aunt Jackie's scarf. Okay, nice. We got the Fix My Hair Flaxseed Recipes Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. And that. We have the Coconut Cream Recipes Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. We have that. We have the Coconut Creams Recipe Cocoa Wash Coconut Milk Conditioning Cleanser. Oh, this is cool. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. We have the Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. It says Ultra Hydrating Deep Moisture Therapy for Parched Tresses. Wow. And we have the Flexible Styling Glue. It says Slicked, the Professional Styling Glue. Okay, so I have all 5 products that they are promoting here on the pamphlet. And they say this is the greatest hits. The Cocoa Craze, the Marshmallow Fluff, Grapeseed Goodness. And that's in this one, the Grapeseed Goodness and the Flexible Styling Glue, which is Slicked. The Marshmallow Fluff is the Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. That would be, this one. And the Cream Intensive Moisturizer. That would be, yeah, this one. The sealant. And then the Cocoa Craze would be this Repair Fix here. Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioner Mask. And the Coconut Milk Conditioning Cleanser is the Cocoa Craze. So, okay. It says, what are the greatest hair ingredients of all time? Aunt Jackie's managed to squeeze quite a few into our greatest hits Curlbox. Honey, olive, coconut, and grapeseed oil are topping the curls charts. So come see which ones you'll be blasting your strands with all month long. Okay. All right. Okay. I like this box. So it's just a matter of how the products work. So I'm in the process now of, I've already tested these products from last month, the Suave, but I did not test the Dove ones yet. I was thinking I'm doing it this weekend on the girls' hair, but I've done the Suave. It's ready to go. I want to just use it on the girls' hair a little bit more. I've done it on my hair, and then I'll be doing a review of that. But for me, I can move on to these products immediately, but for the girls, I'll be using those Suave products, which, yeah, I haven't used the Suave or the Dove on them. The Dove, I was hesitant about using because they smell so loud, and I do not want to stir up my allergies. So I don't know yet. So hopefully, I know someone asked and wanted to see what I thought about it this month. So hopefully, I'm able to go ahead and use it. So we'll see, but that's it. Wait, yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, thumbs it up. If you didn't, then leave. Bye. Until next time, Lord said the same, you'll see me in the next one. Keep it curly, keep it straight, keep it protected, keep it you.